Kibe signing in. Good morning, good afternoon, my G's, from whatever time or place you are. Thank you for passing by my channel and see what we do. If you like it here, hope you make yourself a permanent resident. And if you're a permanent resident, thank you for your support. Here is some aesthetics and aesthetically. Welcome to today's video. Is those minges that you saw me removing the other keep out of wherever Rico carrots. Here's some one pieces of kamweri, and then there is beef stew or mbuzi soup. Yeah, something like that. Yo, and chaparis. Yay! Guys, it's Monday. Isn't this thing dirty? Anyway, there's an echo. I'm in a big room. I wanted to say, last time I was boiling milk, which you'll see in the other video. So when you boil a lot of milk, it produces cream, kerimo. So that thing we put in a sufuria and stored for 2 days because it was 2 days, a 2-day cream. And cream makes butter. In YouTube, you'll see a lot of people use sijui what is it called? Sijui long cream, mama, sijui double cream, whatever, milk or whatever they use, and then use a whisk. We don't have a whisk. Yeah, not the manual one, the electric one. I don't have that whisk. So my grandfather said you can pound the milk until it becomes butter. And that is don't know what that was. It was a call. No wonder I was distracted. It had told me you are receiving a call you can take, and then it will say, and I was like, which call? There is no call, but it came in some seconds later. Anyway, I will pound it, the cream, to make butter. Pound, remove the milky thing, and then ferment, or ferment before and then pound. It matters is what we did. We pounded first, then fermented it, but I think you're supposed to ferment, pound, all after every day. I don't know the real process there. But we got something, so let me show you. When I tell you this thing is sweat, when I tell you this thing is buttery, yo, this thing is so sweet. It tastes like the real butter. You see how yellow it is? That is the butter we have now. Done. Waiting to be packaged. Yup. Let's peel some potatoes. You remember yesterday's meal that didn't have potatoes? I'm gonna boil these and then I'm gonna add to the meal. Because in a meal in Kikuland that does not have potatoes, I know some people thought, how don't you have potatoes? Yeah, anyway, let's add this. I'm gonna boil them and then add them in the pot later. Stay time, a holiday in the fog easier to realize. Good evening, guys. Today is a Friday. I'm undoing my hair. Not too shabby. Is this hair even black? I need to rewash it. Look at this. I have washed it, but it's not quite clean. I'll wash it to be able to undo it. I have no conditioner, and I wished I made the aloe vera moisturizer. Also can't find my tin that has conditioner, and it's small actually, so I washed the hair to be a bit, and it still looks dry, but let me tell you, it has water which is drying up, and then it has glycerin. I wish I made that moisturizer. I'll do that before the next wash because I don't think it's a wash. It's still got, you see at these edges, still got problems. Sometimes hair gets boring. This is huge. It just have water. It's in lamps. I'll just use water alone. Anyway, I'm rambling. On Tuesday, we planted cabbages. On Wednesday, it was a holiday. Nothing much. On Thursday, I planted potatoes. On Fridays today, I just took a breath and then I decided to undo my hair. Now I'm warming my lunch stroke dinner. It's going up. It's like 4 o'clock. Yeah, that's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, my butter is so good. I just had a bit. I wished I showed you, but I didn't. When time gets to that point, I'll show you. You see this side part. Need to apply oil on it. Oh, this is so dry. Didn't I held my face? This place has oil. Why is this? Anyway, see you. 90 o'clock, 90. You can only see two lights. It's
a Sunday, we are going out. At least today I'm not a band. And this is my outfit. It's cold. My ears are even aching. So I had to cover them with this. And then my big coat and my pants and my shoes. And then a sip pot inside. Mwah. One thing about this place, it's cold. We're in the cold season. Let me tell you, this cold is working overtime. It's cold, too cold. Your feet will freeze. I have this jacket, and it's still cold. Your ears will pain. Like yesterday, you'll see my yesterday's outfit. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Happy Madaraka Day to my fellow Kenyans. It's when we gained independence. Yeah, Madaraka means independence. So happy Madaraka Day. And I'm still doing my hair. This is done, this part isn't done. I had to undo this one. And I can't, it's paining me right here. But it wasn't the way I wanted it to be. So I'll show you the final look of all the hair. I'm doing something different, but still my natural hair. I'm here to see if the curves have to change them to it a better place. I'm rambling. Bye.
Talk about if this is what we are experiencing. Yeah, it's cold, beyond cold. It's raining, it's windy at the same time. But with a hot cup of tea, really hot on such days.